Children, welcome you in chemistry class. Children, today I am going to teach you water. Water is the most common substance on the earth's surface. No living being can survive without water. Earlier, water was considered as an element, but Henry Cavendish proved water is not an element, it is a compound of hydrogen and oxygen. Therefore, molecular formula of water is H2O. Henry Cavendish have shown by experiment that by volume, 2 volume hydrogen and 1 volume oxygen present in the water, or 2 volume of hydrogen and 1 volume of oxygen to combine together produce water. But by weight ratio of hydrogen oxygen in water is 1:8. 1 part hydrogen and 8 part oxygen present by weight in water. So I told water is the compound of hydrogen and oxygen. Children, you have to know here water is very important water is very important substance on the surface of the earth. Water is found in all the 3 states of matter. Children, you know 3 states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. These are the 3 states of matter, and water is found in all the 3 states. In the solid state, water is found in the form of ice, in the form of snow, in the form of frost. But in the liquid state, water is present in the river that we call river water, lake water, sea water, spring water, well water. It is also present in the form of dew above the earth's surface or earth's crust. In the gaseous state, water is in the form of vapor, so that is called water vapor. So in the gaseous state, water is present in the form of water vapor, in the form of clouds, in the form of mist and fog. Water is also found in the combined form in the living matter, plants, animal. Water is present in hydrated salt. There are some salt, they have water of crystallization as copper sulfate. Hydrated copper sulfate is CuSO4 5H2O. So 5 molecules of water has chemically attached with the crystal of copper sulfate. So this is called water of crystallization. Children, on the surface of earth, nearly 75% of the earth's surface is covered with water. In the human body, 70% of the weight is water. In the plant, if you are taking the green vegetables, nearly 80 to 90% of green vegetable is water. In the milk, 80 to 85% is water. In the dry cereals, 3 to 5% is water. So water is found in the plant, in the animals, in the body of human beings, and different types of food which we are eating. I told earlier, before a long time, water was considered as an element, but Henry Cavendish proved water is not an element. Henry Cavendish experimentally proved water is a compound of hydrogen and oxygen, and two volume of hydrogen, one volume of oxygen, two combined together form one molecule of water. Therefore, Y volume ratio of hydrogen and oxygen in water is 2:1. But by mass, this ratio of hydrogen and oxygen in water is hydrogen and oxygen in water is 1:8. Children, water is present here in the natural states, that is called natural water. So natural water is the rainwater, spring water, well water, river water, lake water, sea water. But the water which we are getting after treating, after the treatment, means natural water is treated, it is purified, some chemicals are used to kill the germs, so that we are getting the water after a treatment. So that water is called treated water. So treated water is distilled water, pipe-borne water, and chlorinated water. Chlorinated water is used in a swimming pool. Pipe-borne water, it is prepared by filtration and by chemical treatment. It is free from bacteria, free from the germs. This water is supplied by municipal corporation or by municipal bodies for domestic use, for drinking. Distilled water is the purest form of the water. It is prepared by condensing water vapor, and this water is used for the medical purpose and in the laboratory.